Bum, ba-da-ba.
Welcome back to San Diego Living. We want to welcome another one of those Better Business Torch Award winners here to the program this morning. The award basically says these are people you can trust. And in this case, if you need plumbing, heating, air conditioning, you talk to Mary Jean Anderson at Anderson Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. Good to see you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Now, Anderson is a name that I know has been in San Diego for a long time. How long?
32 years.
32 years.
Yes.
And you don't win the Better Business Torch Award without people really being able to trust you. Tell me just a little bit about the award. Brag on Anderson a little bit.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I think in these times it's very difficult and people tend to take shortcuts. It's easier to cut costs by lowering the quality of the product or, you know, cutting some of the things that motivate your staff. And this is really, the award is about that. It's about doing things right. It's about integrity. Going out and doing community service, for instance. When things are tough, it's hard to go out and do community service. It's expensive.
Yeah, of course it is. There's an investment besides just the time. Absolutely.
But we have been able to do that. And and on all the different areas we were judged, we won. And it was just such, I can't even tell you how great it was for the people that do this every day. They were so excited and literally jumping in their offices to know that they were that they were appreciated for the efforts that they put out
and recognized for
right,
that somebody noticed is always nice. Now, tell me about what makes Anderson unique.
Well, women-owned, first of all,
exactly.
is the biggest, and I think that maybe women-owned has something to do with the uniqueness of the company. Look at things a little bit differently. I look at the home as a castle, and I want when our guys to go into your home, or gals, to really respect the home. They wear shoe covers to protect the floor and carpeting. They aren't allowed to smoke in their trucks or anywhere near the house. They have to smell good. We want them to smell good when they go into the home.
Do they have to pull up their pants or wear a very long T-shirt or something?
Their pants must be pulled up neatly in the back and belted.
Okay, because I think we all know what horrifying moment we're talking about there.
Yeah, I think probably the biggest is that we do a very extensive hiring, which again in this economy is costly, but we would never cut any part of it. And part of that includes a very extensive criminal background. In our country, of the 5 top trades taught in prison, or 5 top trades taught in the prison school systems now is plumbing and heating and air conditioning. So we have a large influx of people that come out into the community and looking for jobs. And we do not only a personality profile, but we do a complete criminal background check, pedophile registry. And I really want people to be safe when we come into your home.
See, as I'm hearing this, I'm thinking I've never heard of a company, contractors, plumbers, heating and air conditioning, doing anything like that. That sounds 100% unique in the business to me. Well, and it may not be, but it sounds like it.
Yeah, I think it should be done, and I think that's what separates us a little bit, is that we want to make sure when someone comes into your home that they have the personality to communicate, to maybe teach you what happened, what went wrong. You don't just walk in blindly, fix something, and walk out, but explain to the customer, this is why this happened, and you can do this, this, and this little maintenance to save you money. And so it's just a little bit, we take it a little bit further.
Well, now, we've got some ideas here for lowering your energy costs, and you'll come in and evaluate this for folks, getting rid of leaks and programmable thermostats and tuning up your furnace and that type of thing. But I also want to talk just briefly about the fact that because our homes are built so efficiently now, and all this focuses on energy efficiency, they're airtight.
They are.
And you've got all these pollutants inside the home that the people are living with. Some folks like up to 90% of their life indoors.
That's right.
So what do you do about that?
Well, I think the most inexpensive thing to do is to have a regular maintenance on your furnace. And they're very inexpensive. You can get them for under $100. We have a $39 special going on right now. But you'll get, even at the $100, you're going to get all of your money back, and you're cleaning your filters, tuning up the system so that you don't have the debris in the air that you're inhaling. And then, of course, there's very cool stuff out and very green stuff like air scrubbers. I have one personally. We tested our countertops and everything before we put this air scrubber in, and then again, and these tests were sent to a lab, and the difference of germs was incredible. And I consider myself a very clean person, so I was very surprised at the results.
All right, Mary Jean Anderson, it's Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air, a Better Business Award, Torch Award winner, and some folks you can trust here and a long-time name in San Diego.
you.
Thanks so much for
Thank
coming
you
in
for
this
having me.
morning.
Appreciate it. Thank
We'll
you
see
very
you again,
much.
I hope.
Okay.
All right, for more information, you go to san diego6.com.